and gentlemen, it is the final night, of course, of who's going to represent the city of Suva tested throughout the week, but also you still have a chance.
And a very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I do not intend to make a long speech. The two gentlemen before me have said quite a lot of things that needed to be said, except to say that I would like to publicly, and I please seek your actually intervention in this. Please put your hands together for Hibiscus Prasad, who's actually put this hibiscus together. He's made a very significant move. It's the first time hibiscus has actually been held in Nasinu. It's not easy to organize all of this, in particular when you have to do things very, very quickly. And of course, we're now in the largest municipality in Fiji. Nasinu is the largest municipality, and of course, all the people who are here is a testimony to the fact that the bulk of the Fijian population lives in this area. And to host such an event here is a wonderful achievement. I'd like to thank him for that, and of course, his committee. Tonight, of course, would not be possible also without the sponsors, Vodafone, and without sponsorship, of course, many events in Fiji cannot be held. I'd also like to, ladies and gentlemen, thank the contestants. As I've always said in many of the contests that we have throughout Fiji, whether it's here in Nasinu, where we have Hibiscus Festival, whether it's Bula Festival, Sugar Festival, Coral Festival, whichever festival that we have, it's not very easy to be a contestant, whether king or a queen, and to have literally thousands and thousands of people look at you, gawk at you, assess you, criticize you, and form all sorts of opinion about you. It's not an easy thing to do. But these young men and women, I think we should put our hands together for them very, very loudly. Not, of course, everybody will be a winner. I believe that all of them are winners because they've actually put themselves out there under your scrutiny and to raise funds, to actually talk about worthy causes, talk about issues, as was said earlier on by the CEO of Vodafone, talking about climate change, about recycling, refuse, and all of those aspects. Of course, talking about various other aspects, whether it's pertaining to women, our youth, our disabled people. All of those issues are very important to talk about and to bring that message forward with us and to us indeed for that matter. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you once again for your participation. You can see the crowds have been phenomenal. I'd like to thank you for ensuring that we've had actually a very safe Hibiscus Festival. We have not had any major incidences apart from a couple of the mechanical issues, but generally everybody's enjoyed themselves. Lots of people are spending money. You see the rides, the queues are very long. In fact, I was here last night with my children. It took us half an hour to get to one of the rides. So everybody's enjoying themselves. This is the future. This is the bright future we have. Let's enjoy it. Let's form that national unity. Have a strong United Nations, and United Nations, I should say, and with all these young people at the helm, we have a very bright future ahead of us. Valelevu, and have a good evening. Thank you.
The Vodafone Fiji Hibiscus 2018 winner is... Congratulations, Manasa Navara, Mr. Trendy Fashion.
Well, let me just start by saying this. God is good. Yes, God is so good, I tell you. The Honorable Chief Guest, Organizing Committee, Hegi, Vodafone Fiji, and every supporters, my family and friends, thank you all so much for your support. Thank you all. These are winners as well. My fellow brother contestants that are standing right before you, they're all winners tonight. That is what I know. And I would like to tell you all, as my first speech, I'll keep it simple. The main reason why I entered this year's Vodafone Fiji Hibiscus Festival as a king participant was to advocate on my message. And my message is based on the theme of social development, to share the inspiring stories of single parents, I'm a representative of every single parents and the children who are the products of single parents out there in Fiji. Today, right now, my achievement is for you. If I can do it, you sit it right there. Every youth as well, every young man watching this live on television, you can be here as well. This is a good platform. Thank you very much, Vodafone Fiji, for this wonderful platform for youths to advocate on issues that affect them, that they believe in so passionately, that they know they can make a change in other people's lives. Thank you so much, and I hope that I have inspired someone tonight. And I'm very thankful for this opportunity. Thank you all, and God bless you all.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Vodafone Fiji Hibiscus Queen for 2018 is... Ladies and gentlemen, once again, the Vodafone Fiji Hibiscus Queen for 2018 is... Let's do that one more time, yeah? Congratulations, Miss Fiji Society of the Blind, sponsored by Auto Care, Jessica Fong. Sponsored by Fiji Society of the Blind and Auto Care. In a moment, ladies and gentlemen,
Bula Nasinu, Bula Suvan, Bula Fiji. I am humbled and honored to be crowned the Vodafone Hibiscus Queen 2018. I hope I represent all of Suva. I hope I represent all of Suva to the best of my abilities. I would like to thank everyone who has made this possible. First off, I want to thank God for all His abundant blessings. I'd like to thank my parents, my family members, all my friends, and all those who have supported me. I'd like to especially thank my sponsors who have made this possible, who believed in me and who trusted me to represent them the best way possible. I'd also like to acknowledge the Honorable Attorney General, Aiyaz Sayed-Khaiyum. I'd like to address also the head of Hibiscus Committee who has made this possible, the head of Vodafone, who has also provided this platform for all the youths of Fiji. I hope that all these 12 girls up here, all us 12 girls up here have empowered all you young women out there to take the stand, to be confident, and to always represent yourself the best way possible. Tonight we were all winners, and I'd like to address that as well to our King contestants. I'd like to end by thanking you all for your support. And also, I hope to represent Suva the best way possible. Thank you.